In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset preferences in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If Acrobat Pro has started acting strangely, maybe it's crashing, certain tools are missing, or settings won't stick, resetting the preferences often clears things up. This process recreates a clean set of default settings without uninstalling the app, and because we'll make a simple backup as we go, you can always roll back if you need to. First, make sure Acrobat Pro is completely closed. Don't just close the document window. Quit the application entirely. If you still see the Acrobat icon highlighted on your taskbar or a background process running, give it a moment to exit fully before continuing. Keeping it closed is important because Acrobat can rewrite its settings while it's open. Next, we'll open the Windows Run dialog. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. A small box will appear where you can type a path or command. In that box, type %appdata% Adobe Acrobats and press Enter. This takes you straight to the folder where Acrobat stores your personal settings. Inside this Acrobat folder, look for the version folder. On most current installations, it's named DC or Continuous. Go ahead and open that folder. If you're unsure which one is correct, choose the one that matches the version you used most recently. It's usually the only one with active files. Now find the folder named Preferences. This is the collection of files that controls your custom settings, tool layouts, and some interface behavior. Instead of deleting anything, we're going to make a safe backup. Right-click the Preferences folder and rename it to Preferences Old. Renaming is the key step here. It preserves your old configuration so you can restore it later if needed. With that done, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro again. On startup, Acrobat will see that the original Preferences folder is missing and will automatically create a fresh one with factory defaults. This is exactly what resets your preferences. Expect things like toolbars, page display settings, and recent files to return to their default state. If Acrobat now behaves normally, you've confirmed the issue was tied to a corrupted or conflicting preference. If you ever want to bring back your old settings, simply close Acrobat again, return to the same location, and rename Preferences Old back to Preferences. That instantly restores your previous configuration. That's it. You've reset Acrobat Pro's preferences safely and cleanly, and you have a backup just in case. If this resolved your issue, consider re-enabling only the customizations you truly need to keep things stable going forward.